Good morning guys, and welcome to One Man One Life. Today we're going to install one of these light bars. So I'll show you what I've done with the wiring, and then down here on the front. So to save loads of hassle, I've just plugged it in to test it, but to save you watching hours of video boring installation of wires, I've already installed the wiring loom, which I bought off Amazon. So basically, and I've covered it in this cloth tape just for a bit more protection, but the wires run all around here, and if you can see down there, that is the relay, and as of the instructions, I've connected both lives to there, and then I run it through there's a rubber grommet just down there. I don't know if you can see it, but I've run the wire through there. Bear with me. Look, I've got a bit of a fetish for sunglasses. I don't know if you can see, but if you squeeze the side of these, the whole glove box just drops down. There's a way it runs through the firewall, and then I put more tape, this cloth tape for better protection of the wire. The earths are up there. It runs all the way through. I put a little switch just there, on, off, and there's a wire. I've just put some new clips on this door because it kept falling down, so I bought them off Amazon. They was only a few quid, but there it fits on nicely. So the next step of the game is to take all this shroud off and this front grille. So we'll take that shroud off. Let's do it from this side, you might see it better. Yeah, take the shroud off, take the front grille. These just pop out, and then lift this off, and then we can get to the nuts underneath. Right, so these little grommets just literally pop up and then pull out. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them to pop out, and there is some push, just push in. So I'll take them out, and then we'll move on to the next step. So I'll give it a minute, take them off. Right, that's a 5 clips now, literally 30 seconds. And then we've just got to right. Oops. We didn't want to do that. So then we just pull the clips off. Once we've released all these clips and forced these ones out, there's a few of them broken, as you can see. This pulls away. So I'll put that down there. And then we've got one bolt there, we've got one bolt there. And then there's a bolt down there. I don't know if you can see it too well. And there's one down there, so we'll whip all them out and take the front off. So again, I'll stop the video here and I'll start it when I've got all the bolts out. Right, I drilled a couple of holes in the bottom of the grill. I put some washers in there as well because the washers you get with it are really small. So just to add a bit of security, I put them washers on. So now it's time to put it back on. Everything's been straightforward so far. So we'll get the grill on, there's no need to say that, and it's simple enough, 4 bolts, some clips. So let's reverse the process. Well, there you go, guys. There's a light bar on. As you'll all know, the lights on these Rangers are like candles. I have replaced the main headlights with LEDs. I may do the fog lights, but we'll see how this light bar goes up. But there she is. One light bar. So that's it for this video. We'll just turn it on. One light fitted. So we'll try it out at night to see what it's like. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit the bell for notifications and subscribe for plenty more adventures to come. Our next trip, Iceland, in 5 weeks I think, something like that. Anyway, we'll see you then. Bye. This is the car without the light bar switched on. The light bar on. Well, quite a difference. So we'll try it again when it's darker, but I know when I've been over in Ireland in it, down some of the country roads, it's quite dark, especially with the Ranger lights on, even though I have put the LEDs in headlights. Anyway, this is it. Pretty cool.